Yeah, so my name's Jim and I'm the latest franchise owner for TV Magic based in Sydney. So having done 12 years in corporate, I can already say my lifestyle's much better now. Before TV Magic, I was selling core banking systems to financial services, and it was, kind of enough was enough, and the opportunity to work for myself and push myself and try something new was really the impetus for that. The training program that you go through for 2 weeks is phenomenal. You are busy for 2 weeks on the tools, in customers' houses, in businesses, doing as many of the different job codes that we do every day for 2 weeks solid. You walk away from there absolutely pumped and just ready to go. And on the second week of training, you're booking in jobs for the following week when you are on your own with a van. And I know this now, but buying a franchise was definitely the better option than trying to do something myself from scratch. The operational manuals exist, the training's fantastic, you're given a business to run. The operating model exists, the marketing plan exists, head office give you leads to get your first sales over the line quickly. If you were starting from scratch, you've got this vast area of uncertainty and unknown. And so the franchise model is definitely one that I'd encourage anybody to do, because you're given the tools to make it successful. Yeah, loads. Just the ability to pick up the phone to any one of 30 guys around the country that can help you there and then when you're lost on a job. And you can always phone the trainer. I've got my mentor. At the end of a phone, you can get the help that you need. It just makes everything so much easier, and there's really no need to be nervous or think that you can't get it done. There's always a way, and somebody within TV Magic will know the way. And it's just a case of just leaning off the guys that have been in the business for years and using their expertise to help you complete that job. And then you learn from that job and you take it into the next job, and the next job goes easier and it's quicker and better. And so if you're one of these people that just likes to sit behind a desk being told what to do every day, then continue doing that. But if you want to get after it, be successful, try new things, every day's different, work for yourself, but it's all on you. So there's a definite difference in that respect, but it's been so rewarding for me personally. I've grown so much in the short amount of time that I've been here, and I would just encourage anybody to give it a go. Yeah, first and foremost, really strong brand in the market. TV Magic is pretty successful business. We know who the competitors are, but I think there are some subtle differences that make TV Magic stand out than, say, for example, call a call center who give you to another phone number, and then eventually you get called by a technician. They might not turn up. I know that my personal phone number is on the side of my van. It's on the website with my name, my phone number. It's very, very direct relationship with the customer. That's really, really powerful, because a lot of people don't like dealing with big franchise where they just feel like they're stuck in this factory of phone calls and offices and all the rest of it. They're setting you up for so much success, and it doesn't take long to get your capital outlay back. Great bunch of guys around the country, the really good people that work under the TV Magic brand. I think it's similar types of people. There's nobody here that doesn't get on with anybody else. So it clearly attracts a certain type of individual. 25, 26 different job codes that we have, that was quite important, right? Because you might do an antenna job, but while you're there, you win a wall mount or a sound bar. The ability to upsell, cross-sell on every job is real. You might walk in the door thinking it's a $400 job, but by the time you collect payment, you've got $1,200 off the customer. And it's that's pretty important, right? That's how you grow your business, by upsell and cross-sell and repeat customers, etc. Yeah, I like the diversity. No two jobs are the same. Yeah, and when you've got 25 different services that you can offer, there's always work. Oh, I absolutely would. Yeah, and I've discussed it with a few of my mates that are in a similar position to I was in corporate, you know, 6 months ago. The best decision I've ever made.